Hi guys! Happy New Year again to all of you. Happy New Year 2024. And for today's vlog, for this vlog, I'm going to do the unboxing of my Rose Pink Starbucks Planner 2024. But before that, let me take a selfie. Okay? Ay, pwede naman pala dito. Dito na lang. Diba? Para kita yung nagre-reflect yung star. Okay, so let's do the unboxing of this 2024 Starbucks planner. Okay, so medyo inaantok na ako, pero carry pa rin. Let's do this. Okay, oh my god, ayan na. Dahan-dahan. Siyempre, napakamahal na to, kaya kailangan dahan-dahan. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Ito na. Tagalin na natin yung cover. Okay. So, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng box. Can feel it. Okay. So, RP stands for Rose Pink. Okay. Pinag-double check ko yan. Okay. Tan-taranan. Let's do this. Oh my god. It's black again. Okay. Ganda niya. Okay. So, this. Oh, okay. So, may nakasulat nga. So, let us read what's written here. Okay. Every cup is a journey. Siyempre, hindi ko makita. Kailangan may ilaw. Okay. That starts as a gift from the earth to a feeling of warm belonging. In a welcoming space, a place where you feel seen, heard, and celebrated. Our work is always evolving and we can't do it alone. Together, we will be able to carry out a shared mission of nurturing the human spirit, one person, one cup, and one neighborhood at a time. Ganda niya. Okay, SS na lang po. Ako na lang mag-SS. Okay, next is, okay, so nakaganyan siya. Nakaganyan, okay? So, ang ganda nyo. Ang ganda ng skin. Ang ganda. Hindi ko alam yung tawag, pero maganda siya. Rose pink na rose pink. Talagang naka-curve siya or naka-ano talaga siya. Oh, parang nakakakiliti pa nga dito. Sarap. Hindi siya, basta ano siya, masarap. Masarap sa ano. Parang nakaka-relax. Hindi siya leather or, ano ba tawag doon? Hindi siya cotton or fabric. It's leather. Yeah, it's leather. I believe, yes. And yun talaga. Yung parang ano siya, embroidered dito. Yung ano talaga. Ganda. Okay. Next is the pen. The pen serve as the lock. Okay. So it's like this. Okay. So we cannot open the planner without removing the pen because it serves as the lock. So let's check. Dito na lang. Let's remove. So it's a retractable pen. And I believe it's black. Let's see later. Okay, this is the pen, Starbucks pen. Place it here. Okay, let's open. Oh. Okay. So, first, ito yung first packet. Let's start from the right. Okay. So, meron siyang kasamang Is this a ruler? It's a ruler. Okay, ruler. So, you can just put it here. And then, meron siyang, yan, pocket. Yan. So, you can place either calling card, dito, cards, or any cards that you want. As long as it will fit. Okay, and then another pocket. And, eto na yan. So, ayan siya. And then, when you turn it, okay, maraming stickers. Ang ganda. Actually, marami akong Starbucks planner that also with stickers, but hindi ko ginagamit kasi nangihinayang ako. May ganun akong factor. So, let's do the picture. Teka lang, mas nauna pa yung picture ng kaysa dito. Let's put it back. Wait. Okay, let's do the picture. Okay. So, nandito na tayo sa pag-open nito. So, let's open. So, sa likod siya, sa may sticker side. Okay, so may sticker siya. Ayan, sticker. Oh, meron din siyang postcard. Ang ganda, ang laki ng postcard na to. So, ayan. Another postcard. Oh, ang ganda. Mga shells. Ito, corals. And then, this are shells. Okay, Starbucks. Pag ganyan. So, pag ginano mo, oh, diba dapat, pag ganyan naman, baliktad. So, kailangan from here to here. Diba? Okay, next is, tails. Dolphin tails, or fish tails, or whatsoever tails, or mermaid tails. Mermaid siguro to. Okay, let's assume that mermaid, these are mermaid tails. Okay, postcard. Okay, and actually medyo lumaki siya. Kasi yung 2023, grabe, as in, nung na-experience ko na siya, kasi syempre, lagi akong excited to receive my new Starbucks planner from the Philippines. Okay, so, nung na-receive ko siya, excited ako, ganyan. Pero nung ginagamit ko siya, sobrang pag nagre-write ako, kasi diba ganito siya, ganyan. So, pag nagre-write ako, dito, as in talagang sakit. So, buti nga ngayon, so, since ganyan siya, ganyan yung ano niya, yung ano niya, dito na, tawag dito, medyo malaki-laki na yung space. Kasi, yung dati, ang liit. As in, hindi ko alam kung paano ako magsusulat. Thank you so much, Starbucks, for hearing all our suggestions or friendly complaints. Okay. Constructive criticisms from the last 2023 Starbucks planner. So, eto na siya. So, ayan. Hindi muna natin gaganin. So, lagay na lang muna kaya natin para ma-hold siya while I'm showing to all of you. Yan. Medyo sinisipon pa rin po ako. Hindi pa ako gumagaling. Para magto 2 weeks na tong sipon ko. On and off siya. So, let's check what's inside. Okay, let's check the design. Mais ka. Okay. Okay. So, first, yun na talaga. Walang lagayan. Okay. So, corals, and then, mermaid tails. So, katulad ng nasa postcards. Okay, so here's the calendar. The personal information, of course. Dito mawawala. Then next is next page. So another reading, so whatsoever. So another art. Next. Yan. Ito talagang gusto ko. Yung ganito talagang gusto ko. Merong summary. Okay, so where I can put all the summer agenda na, drafted agenda. Meron ako. Then, I will put some notes. For example, January 1, plan ko is to make charcuterie board. So, lalagay ko na lang dito, done, whatsoever. Specified. Okay, and then notes. Yes, notes. Okay. So, I believe it's all the same for every month. However, the designs na lang siguro yung divider after each month. Okay, so maganda. Lumaki na siya. Yan, gaganda. And, wala bang last page? Last is the notes. Notepad. Yan, notepad pages. So, this is for March. This is for April. This is April, March, May. June. July. Parang tagal. July. August. September. October. November. And December. Okay, so ang ganda niya. So that's it, guys. That's it for the planner of Starbucks 2024, and I really love it. Okay, so thank you so much for all those people who's watching my vlog. Okay, so for those who are not, thank you so much as well. And for those who are willing, thank you so much as well. And I'm inviting every one of you to watch my vlog, to kindly please comment, like, and subscribe. Please! Thank you so much, and Happy New Year again. Okay, so let's take a picture. Wait. With this. Hindi ko alam kung saan lalagay. Dito na lang siguro. Thank you so much, Laika, for all your effort to get this. Okay, and you finally got one for me before the flight of Marlon Cunanan. And thank you so much, Marlon Cunanan, for bringing it from the Philippines to the UAE, and hope that it didn't, it didn't eat some space, or it didn't eat space in your luggage. Okay, so let's take a picture. Wait lang. Yon, medyo pagod na yung aking mata. Okay, So, on my next vlog, okay, I will show to all of you my Starbucks collection, my planner Starbucks collection. Aside from the mugs and tumblers that I have, I also, I managed to, I am a consistent Starbucks planner fan or collector. Okay? So, thank you so much and have a lovely evening or more night or good morning or morning. Okay, thank you so much. Bye. Happy New Year 2024.